Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. We all know it is very important to practice counting to 100 every single day. So for our counting warm-up today, we are going to count to 100 with our beads. This is going to help us grow our brains and keep them in shape. Remember, as I move the beads over, to count along with me nice and loud. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great job counting today. Now let's get started with our lesson today. Yesterday we started talking about teen numbers and how they are made of a group of 10 and some ones. We're going to continue learning about teen numbers today, but first I'd like to solve a word problem together. My word problem says, Miss Kastner went to school and found 10 pencils on her desk. She also found 4 pens on her desk. How many did she find all together? So this word problem wants us to find out how many pencils and pens Miss Kastner found all together. Do you know the answer? Let's see if we can solve this together. I'm going to use our drawing circle strategy to help with this word problem. It first says Miss Kastner found 10 pencils. So I'm going to underline 10 pencils. If it says 10 pencils, how many pencils do you think I'm going to draw? Or how many circles do you think I'm going to draw? 10. I'm going to draw 10 circles for 10 pencils. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That looks kind of like our group of 10 in a 10 frame for a teen number, doesn't it? Nice. Now, my word problem also says that she found 4 pens as well on her desk. So how many circles am I going to draw for 4 pens? 4. I need to draw 4 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I've drawn all of my circles out. Now that I have all of them drawn, I have to count them out. Instead of counting starting at 1, I'm going to make it quicker, and I'm going to use my counting on strategy by catching 10 and counting 4 more. Ready? Do it with me. Catch 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I counted to 14, so my answer is 14. I'm going to write that there so I don't forget. Let's write out our number sentence. Can you tell me, what is our number sentence going to say? 10 plus 4 equals 14. I'm using my plus sign because when a question says, how many did she find all together? That means it wants us to add. So I used my plus sign. So Miss Castor found 14 pencils and pens all together. Thanks for helping me solve that problem. Now let's review our learning target for today. Our learning target for today is I can compose team numbers using a group of 10 and some ones. Compose was a word that we talked about before, meaning to put two parts together to make a whole. The two parts that we will use to compose or make team numbers are a group of 10 and some ones. The materials that you're going to need for today's activity to help us compose numbers are just paper and pencil. So pause the video now if you need to grab those materials for our activity. We're going to begin now. For today, we will be using the I do, we do, you do lesson. When we compose team numbers today, we are going to use these cards to help us. The number 10 is always going to show here because we know that team numbers are made of a group of 10 and some more ones. This pile here has the numbers 1 through 9 all mixed up. I will flip one card over at a time that will help us to compose a team number. After flipping the cards, we will write them in the parts of a number bond. My number bond is right here, and it shows the part, whole. After filling in the number bond, we're going to write a number sentence over here. Our number sentence is going to look differently today than how we write it normally. On your own paper, you may want to make sure that you have enough room for a lot of number bonds and sentences. So make sure to write small. For the first team number, I have a 10 and the number 4. Now I'm going to write the number 10 in one part and 4 in the other part of my number bond here. I think that 10 and 4 makes 14 for the whole, but I want to check my work to make sure my answer is correct. I'm going to use my counting on strategy to help me because I don't have enough fingers to help me solve this problem. First, I catch the bigger number, which is 10. 10 is more than 4. I'm going to catch 10 and count on 4 more. Ready? Count with me. Catch 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have my 4 fingers up and I counted to 14, so my answer is 14. I'm not going to keep counting because I have my 4 fingers, which is my second part. Now I write this as a number sentence. I put my 2 parts first. So 10 plus 4 equals my whole, and my whole is 14. So it could look like 10 plus 4 equals 14. So those number sentences mean the same thing. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now let's do sum together. erase all of this. Make sure that you're writing your number bonds smaller so you have room. First, we flip the card. So now my parts are going to be 10 and 7. Do you know what 10 plus 7 equals? Let's count on to see if your answer is correct. We need to catch the bigger number first. And what's the bigger number, 10 or 7? 10. 10 is the bigger number, so we're going to catch 10 and count 7 more. Ready, go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have to stop because I have 7 fingers up. I counted to 17, so our answer is 17. So I'm going to write 17 for my whole. Lastly, we need to write our number sentence for this number bond. What is our number sentence going to be? Our number sentence is going to be 10 plus 7 equals 17. So again, it'll look like 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, let's do another one. So our one part is 10. I'm going to write our part here. Our next part is a what number? 1. What's 10 plus 1? Let's see if you're right. We're going to catch 10 and count 1 more. So we catch 10, put up 1 finger, 11. So we have 10, 11. So we counted to 11. What's our answer? 11. Now, can you tell me what our number sentence is going to say? Our number sentence is going to be 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. That's our number sentence for our team number 11. Okay, let's do another one. So our one part is 10. Our other part is going to be what number? 9. What's 10 plus 9? Let's count on to check your answer. So remember, we're going to catch 10 and add 9 more. So catch 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many did we count to? 19. So our whole is going to be 19. How can I write this as a number sentence? Our number sentence is going to be 10 plus 9 equals 19. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Make sure you have your number bond and your number sentence written out. Remember, if you need more time, you can always pause this video and finish writing out your number bond and number sentence if needed. Okay, let's do our next number bond. We have a 10. And what number is this? So our other part is 6. What's 10 plus 6 going to equal? Let's see if you're right. We're going to catch 10 and add 6 more. So how many fingers should I have up? 6. I'm going to put up 6 fingers. So we catch 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What number did we count to? 16. So our whole is 16. What is our number sentence going to be? Ten plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. A 10 and 6 more ones makes 16. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. I'm going to erase it so we can do our next number. We have a 10 for our one part. And what is our other part going to be? 3. 10 plus 3. What's our whole going to be? Let's see. We're going to catch 10 and add 3 more. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13. I counted to 13, so my answer is 13. What is our number sentence going to be? Ten plus 3 equals 13. Great job helping me compose team numbers using these cards. Now it's your turn to practice composing different team numbers. Your assignment for today will be to complete these 4 number bonds and write out the number sentences for each of them. Looking at this paper, you can see that the 2 parts are already filled in. You just need to find the whole when you add these 2 parts together. Once you find the whole, you will need to write out your number sentence, putting your parts first, then your whole. So it would go something like 10 and 3 equals 13. Once you've finished these 4 number bonds and their number sentences, take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher to show them how you composed different team numbers. We love seeing all the hard work that you are doing. So copy these problems down onto your paper and get started on your work. I'll see you tomorrow.